Hello everyone, myself Pranali Kakade. My topic name is Business Plan under guidance of Professor Parul Bhagat. I love a plan. So business plan is I love sports to be honest, and with the amount of 50 lakh 5000 square foot area I will be doing my business. I think you can make ample amount of money with a decent swimming pool and badminton court. Investment for badminton: 4 badminton courts with 4 mm thickness and a 5 years guarantee, that is 5 lakh. Concrete flooring 2 lakh. Shade will cost 50 lakh. Restroom, reception and designing stuff 5 lakh. Total investment for badminton court 27 lakh. So now profit is have have the courts open for 24 hours. Out of 24 hours, 8 hours will be surely occupied. Have a happy hours for 3 hours. Charges: normal charges 250 per hour, and for happy hours 150 per hour. If all the 4 courts are occupied for 8 hours, this is how much you make per day and month. Charges for badminton court: if all the 4 courts are occupied for 8 hours, this is how much you make per day and month. Normal charges: 250 into 4 courts is equal to 1000. Then 1000 into normal hours is 8 hours, that is equal to 8000. And now we want to calculate for month, that is 8000 into 30 days is equal to 2,40,000. Charges for happy hours: happy hours 1500 into 4 courts 600. 600 into 3 hours is equal to 1800. 1800 into 30 days is equal to 54,000. Let's calculate the complete revenue for the badminton court. Normal charges is equal to 2,40,000 plus happy hours is equal to 54,000. Revenue of 2,94,000. Charges for executing the business. Expenses: 4 staff with 15,000 salary, we will get 60,000. Maintenance is equal to 10,000. Water and miscellaneous is equal to 20,000. So total expenses is equal to 90,000. Investment in mutual fund. Invest 50,000 in mutual funds for the next 5 years, as you need to change the code after 5 years and to add another code in the future and to take care of unexpected expenses. Out of 2,94,000 minus expenses of 90,000 and 50,000 for mutual funds, you will still have a 1,54,000 as your profit. I know it sounds good when you see the profit margin of 1,54,000. What if you don't have a 8 hours login? Will you make it happen. Offer your customers free lemon juice as a complimentary after the game. Make sure you provide the best service. Offer them additional time if they are playing more than couple of hours. I know they might be exhausted by then, but you can still offer them next time when they come in. You make them come again, that's what you need, isn't it? Print vouchers that you get with Paytm and other websites as if it's your and it's exclusive for your customers. If think it's unfair, speak to Paytm and other companies and offer them some discounts or vouchers. Swimming pool will be costing 22 lakh with construction and with necessary equipments and filters. One cleaner will be required to clean the water, that equal to 15,000 per month. Charges: charge 200 per hour. You will have a 25 people a day for sure, excluding summer as the number may be high. 200 into 25 people will get 5,000 per day. 5,000 into 30 days is equal to 1,50,000. 50,000. One trainer or swimmer 20,000. One to look after the accounts 15,000. Maintenance 10,000. Constructor 15,000. Total 60,000. You still make a profit of 90,000 rupees. Badminton 1,60,000 and swimming pool 90,000. Profit for the month 2,50,000. Thank you.